Hey, let's light your exhaust on fire. No. Roll some coal and we'll light it on fire. No. Why? No.
Yeah, man. But that it's just, you know, when a kid brings in a case of water, I'm like, hey man, thank you. I've had those kids say to me, yo.
What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. We are back at the SPE HQ today, and I'm going to show you guys arguably the best built engine for a 6.7 Powerstroke. But first, let's go in. We're going to get an update on the race truck in preparation for the YouTube call out this coming weekend, October 20th, Maple Grove Raceway. Let's check it out. Ronnie, what'd you do today? Did you get the fuel cell in?
Yep.
Fuel cell is in, old one is out. Big step. Yesterday, Dan came in and got the wiring buttoned up. So what's left? What do we got to do?
Just lines for the fuel cell, and that's pretty much it, right?
So we're close. We are close, guys, but bad news. Right now, it's supposed to rain this coming Saturday for the YouTube call out. That sucks. So I don't know. I guess we're gonna keep our fingers crossed it don't rain.
Hoping.
Maybe the forecast will change.
I think it'll change.
They don't know what's gonna happen in the next 3 hours.
Right, we'll get hurricane, we'll hit, and then we'll be screwed. But I don't know. Update on the race truck. It is about 95%. Would you say done? 95%. We're looking good.
We're gonna get Amy's gonna introduce herself. Amy.
No.
Amy.
No.
All right, so now what? The truck would be 96% done.
We gotta do shit over from Ronnie.
Oh my god.
All right, check it over.
Tech talk with Ron. Ronnie, check him in on what happened with the Bellas.
Tech talk with Ron.
Tech him in. What happened?
Come on, where are you going? We got to do it. Okay, Ronnie, so do you think it's going to rain on Saturday?
That's the forecast says.
It says 40% or 60%?
Something like that, I don't know.
All right, so on a serious note, you guys got your update on the race truck. There it sits. But an inside look on arguably the best built 6.7 Powerstroke engine, kind of pretty much on the market. You guys like hardcore test these engines in the race truck out there and in your Powerstroke dragster. You guys absolutely abuse these engines. I mean, they hold up really, really good. The race truck bent a rod at 1,800 horsepower.
Yeah, I compressed it.
But that was not even on the Carrillo HDs. That was just on a standard Carrillo, right?
Yeah, and then we had to have Carrillo or prototype us rods, you know, the HD rods, to hold that power.
So what they did after they bent the regular Carrillo rod for the Powerstroke, they worked with Carrillo to design a heavier duty rod for what? That's like 1,500 horsepower and up rod.
Ish, yeah, I mean, there's like no real set number, but yeah, roughly.
But like this is a full SPE spec Carrillo rod. It's to their full specifications that they designed with Carrillo. There's not even a part number for those rods.
Yeah.
We have ceramic coated pistons, custom SPE spec ground Colt cam with, you can't see it because the bolt's on, but shoot to that now. Nice. Welded on cam gear. So SPE modified lifters. Dan's out there now modifying his lifters. Full SPE spec push rods. They are right here. ARP everything.
What about that billet oil pump here, dude?
Oh yeah. Billet oil pump gear. I'm completely forgetting the billet oil pump gear. So as you can see, this will go right on the front here. Just like that.
Sort of.
Sort of just like that. Custom SPE spec bearings. But guys, literally this is all 100% SPE designed and developed parts. Now this engine here is for PSC. This is for their SEMA trucks. So this is going to be, this has it all in it. So this is designed for like serious horsepower. But you can get pretty much whatever you want. You know, you can call up and get a motor you want for, you know, 700 horsepower, 800 horsepower, 1000 horsepower, you know, whatever you want, they can build you a spec engine, which is really, really sweet. And also this stuff is built to last. Like, this is reliable to a certain extent. Like in the performance world, obviously, you know, the higher you go in performance, the lower you get in reliability. But this stuff is catered towards staying together under high horsepower applications. You know, everything is done in-house. Ceramic coating, the welding, the machining, all ARP main studs. I mean, nothing is everything has its purpose, and everything was specifically designed, you know, to have maximum reliability.
Let's go fast, dude.
Let's go fast.
That's what I think.
I mean, this is what it takes to go fast.
Unfortunately.
A lot of work. And like this engine doesn't just get, you know, put together. There is a huge process. I've been here for most of the day, and I can definitely tell you that it is a serious process to build an engine. Everything is spec'd like 4 times, clearances and tolerances, and so much stuff goes into actually assembling a serious engine of this caliber. It's pretty cool. Every single thing has been developed to their specific requirements, you know, from what they have found in their development and testing. The connecting rods are measured and balanced. Pistons are measured and balanced or equaled out. I personally had no idea that this much went into building, you know, an engine of this caliber. I knew there was a lot, obviously, but I mean, there is a lot. And over the years, they have kind of developed their technique, and this is why it's arguably the best 6.7 Powerstroke built engine you can get right now. So what do you think?
About what?
Your tooth.
Oh my god, it's fucking killing me.
Guys, Ronnie has to go get his tooth pulled in the morning. Are they gonna pull it or root canal?
I don't know.
One or the other, but either way, it's not fun.
No.
Alright guys, that is it for me here at SPE. I just wanted to give you guys an inside look at one of SPE's full built spec engines. These things are absolutely no joke. They have 2 things that they have been product testing and developing all their techniques and all of their parts in, which is the 6.7 Powerstroke dragster and their 6.7 Powerstroke race truck. They absolutely abuse and destroy those trucks to make sure that their built engines that they sell to you, the consumer, is up to par and will handle anything you guys could possibly throw at it and be reliable. It was a super cool process. I learned a lot myself. I never really knew what was involved in building a engine of that caliber. It's a serious process, and I hope you guys learned something too from that. But literally, if you guys out there are in the market for an engine for your 6.7 Powerstroke, definitely give these guys a call. You know, they can do any caliber of build. If you don't want the expensive HD Carrillo rods, you can get whatever you want. You can get just a standard rebuild, or you can get, you know, like an 800 horsepower, 1000 horsepower, up to whatever you could possibly want to do. These guys can take care of you. I truly believe in everything that SPE has to offer. That's why I am showing you guys it all, because I just want you guys out there to be aware of what they have to offer. It's super, super cool stuff, and they're a great bunch of people, and you can't go wrong. But hopefully the weather will hold off so you guys can see one of these engines in action this coming Saturday, October 20th, Maple Grove Raceway. We're going to take the race truck out to the YouTube call out, weather permitting. Now, as of right now, it is saying that it's going to rain Saturday, and that would really suck because, I mean, obviously you can't drag race if it rains. So stay tuned for videos coming out soon. We are going to make our final decision Thursday on exactly what we're going to do. It's probably about 4.5 hours away from us, so we're not going to drive 4.5 hours away if it's going to rain and there's going to be nothing going on at the track. So that's all kind of still up in the air, but the race truck is about done. You guys got your update. You have seen the fuel cell is in, the wiring is done. There is like very, very small minimal things left to do. So the race truck is ready, and now we're just waiting on the weather. So I don't know, hopefully it will clear up and be okay to go, but like I said, we're going to make our decision Thursday, so stay tuned for that. But all right, guys, that is it for me here at SPE, and that is it for me today. If you guys made it this far, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Join the Modern Diesel family and stay tuned for what we have planned. We have so much planned between Modern Diesel and SPE. It's going to be sweet stuff. But I'm getting ready to head to the house. I am in the truck ready to go. I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Sweet Cummins, bro.